Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download Among Us for PC without paying. So you can play Among Us on PC for free using the following methods. First, you can play Among Us for free on BlueStacks or Android emulator. So you can use an Android emulator like BlueStacks to play the mobile versions of Among Us on your PC for free. So you can just download the BlueStacks from the official website. This this is the bluestacks.com. So you can just install the BlueStacks on your PC, and then you can just sign in with your Google account. This one's right here, and open the Google Play Store inside the BlueStacks and search for Among Us and install it. You can just launch the game and start playing on your PC using a keyboard and mouse. So it is free and works like a PC version and support keyboard control, but then it requires an emulator and may use more system resources. And you can also play Among Us for free on the Microsoft Store, but this is limited. So the Microsoft Store sometimes offer Among Us for free for Windows user. So you can just check on the Microsoft Store. You can just open the Microsoft Store and see if it's available for free. And the third one, you can play Among Us on Xbox Game Pass for PC. So if you have an Xbox Game Pass for PC, you can download Among Us for free as part of your subscription. Visit the Xbox apps on Windows and then search for Among Us and install it. So no need for an emulator and its official PC version, but then it requires an Xbox Game Pass subscriptions. Next, you can also use a free trial on Epic Games or Steam if available, because Epic Game Store and Steam sometimes offer free trials or limited times giveaways. So you can just keep an eye on promotions to grab Among Us for free when available. And if you want to play Among Us for free on PC right now, you can just use BlueStack. There is the best options. Otherwise, you can just check for pre-promotion or use Xbox Game Pass if you have a subscription. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to click on the like, leave a comment, click on the thanks, and subscribe. Bye.